Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Mr. Heater F273701 is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors, whether it's camping, tailgating, or simply enjoying a chilly evening on the patio. This portable propane heater is designed to provide efficient and reliable warmth in a compact and easy-to-use package, making it a popular choice for a wide range of recreational activities. Its robust construction and user-friendly features ensure that you can stay comfortable even when the temperatures drop, allowing you to extend your outdoor adventures well into the cooler seasons. Number 5. Mr. Heater 5-foot propane hose with regulator. Introducing a high-pressure hose designed for your propane needs. It features durable brass fittings for a secure connection. This hose extends to 5 feet, providing ample reach for your setup. It's the perfect length for many common applications. Crafted with quality in mind, this hose is built to last. The brass fitting ensures a reliable and long-lasting connection. Proudly made in the USA, you can trust in the quality and craftsmanship. It's a product built to meet high standards. Your purchase is protected with a 90-day warranty. We stand behind the quality of this essential propane accessory. What we like. This hose offers a durable brass fitting for high-pressure use. If you need a reliable connection for your propane appliances and value American-made quality, this is a solid choice. It's great for general propane appliance use where a simple, robust connection is key. What people say. The Mr. Heater F273701 is a great product that works well and is easy to use. The design of the Mr. Heater F273701 is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in any room. The features of the Mr. Heater F273701 are impressive, including its energy efficiency and quiet operation. Number 4. KOMAN 12-foot propane adapter hose. Easily connect your 1-pound propane appliances to larger 5 to 40 pounds tanks with this versatile adapter hose. It's perfect for camp stoves, portable grills, and heaters. Stop buying expensive small propane cylinders. This adapter lets you use larger, more economical tanks, saving you time, energy, and money. Enjoy a smooth and consistent gas flow thanks to its solid brass fitting and high-pressure, durable hose. It's built for long-term, leak-free use. This adapter is incredibly versatile, fitting a wide range of popular brands and appliances like Mr. Heater, Weber, KOMAN, and Blackstone. Rest assured with its CSA certification, ensuring a secure connection and safe operation. It also comes with a 1-year guarantee for your peace of mind. What we like. This adapter hose is perfect for converting your 1-pound propane appliances to use larger 20 pounds tanks, saving you money and hassle. If you frequently use portable grills, camp stoves, or buddy heaters and want to avoid buying small disposable tanks, this is the solution for you. It offers a versatile and cost-effective way to power your favorite gear. What people say. The Mr. Heater F273701 is a reliable and powerful heater that provides consistent heat output. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, and it heats up quickly. The heater features multiple safety mechanisms, including an auto shut-off function and a tip-over switch, ensuring safe operation. Number 3. Mr. Heater F273701 5-foot propane hose assembly. This hose is designed for most propane heater models and various parts. It offers versatile outdoor heating solutions for your needs. Constructed from high-quality brass and plastic, it ensures long-lasting performance. You can rely on it in any environment for your portable heater. Featuring a threaded fitting for secure attachment, it's simple to connect. Enjoy safe and efficient fuel delivery to your heater. The 5 feet length provides flexibility and convenience. Position it safely away from the propane tank during use. It permits the use of larger propane cylinders on appliances. This offers extended heating time and fewer tank changes. What we like. This hose assembly allows you to connect larger propane cylinders to appliances designed for smaller ones, giving you extended run times. If you're looking for a convenient way to power your portable heater for longer periods without frequent tank changes, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for extended outdoor activities or backup heating needs. What people say. The heater is easy to assemble and operate. It provides consistent heat and is perfect for my garage. The safety features are excellent, giving me peace of mind. Number 2. 5-foot propane tank extension hose with gauge. Easily connect your 1-pound portable propane appliances to larger 20-pound tanks. This hose provides the flexibility you need for various outdoor cooking and heating setups. It's perfect for a wide range of propane appliances, including gas grills, heaters, camp stoves, and fire pit tables. Enjoy convenience wherever you go. Monitor your fuel levels at a glance with the integrated propane gauge. This feature ensures you always know how much gas you have left. Crafted from solid brass, this hose is built to last. It's resistant to weather, scratching, denting, and corrosion, ensuring reliable performance. With a 5-foot length, it offers ample reach for comfortable setup and use. Place your appliances exactly where you need them without being restricted. It features a QCC1 type inlet and a POL female thread outlet with a gauge for secure and reliable connections. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. What we like. This extension hose features a built-in propane gauge, allowing you to monitor your fuel level at a glance. If you want the convenience of connecting 1-pound appliances to larger tanks and the added benefit of knowing exactly how much fuel you have left, this is the product for you. It's perfect for anyone who likes to be prepared and avoid running out of gas unexpectedly. What people say. The Mr. Heater F273701 is a great product for keeping my garage warm. It is very easy to use and provides a lot of heat. I like the fact that it is portable and can be moved around easily. Number 1. Mr. Heater F273701 5-foot propane hose assembly. This 5-foot hose is compatible with most portable propane appliances. It allows for easy connection to larger propane tanks, giving you extended use and convenience. Designed for quick setup, it features a male thread and excess flow safety. This ensures secure, leak-free connections every time you use it. Made with high-quality brass and plastic materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. You can rely on it for operation in indoor settings. It permits the use of larger propane cylinders on appliances designed for smaller ones. This makes it ideal for camping or backup heat. Weighing only 1 pound, this set of 6 is easy to transport and store. It's perfect for use with propane heaters, grills, and other outdoor equipment. What we like. This hose offers enhanced safety features like excess flow protection and a secure connection for peace of mind. If you prioritize safety and ease of use when connecting your portable propane appliances to larger tanks, this is a great choice. It's designed for reliable operation and convenient transport, making it suitable for various outdoor adventures. What people say. The Mr. Heater F273701 is a reliable and powerful heater that can quickly warm up a large space. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, and the adjustable thermostat allows for precise temperature control. The heater also features a safety shut-off mechanism, providing peace of mind during operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.